In the previous video we solved this duplicate code problem by using an interface. There is also another way how you can solve this problem, and that's with the use of functions. I can change this one to a runnable, and this line I will cut it for now. Rename this one to run, and we'll do run. And instead of passing the arguments, I can pass an expression here and put the logic that we had here in this part, and I can do the same for this one over here. And now you can see also this one is not being used, so I can remove it, and now we have the same logic as before, but we solved it in a different way. This is especially useful when you cannot extend or implement this class because it's generated, for example.